Hey gardeners, to till or not to till? That's the big debate. But here's why we till. It aerates the soil, giving roots room to breathe and grow strong. It mixes in fertilizers, supercharging your plants from day one. And it boosts drainage so your garden thrives instead of drowning. Ready to till like a pro? Let's dig in. I bought this Huskee brand tiller from a guy out of Marshalltown, Iowa on Facebook Marketplace. We're going to see how it runs. I topped it off with gas, so we should be good. All you need to do is flip this switch to allow gas to the engine, push the toggle arm to bunny, toggle on the choke, find the pull start, and have at her. Let's see if I can start it first pull. I almost hurt myself. Let's give this another try. Wow, second pull, and turn the choke down so it purrs like a kitten. One thing to remember before tilling is to make sure you do it as close to planting time as possible. If you till even a few days prior to planting, your soil could be hard again and it defeats the purpose. There's nothing better than having a freshly tilled garden to plant your plants or sow your seeds in. A little secret we have kept, as it is a work in progress, is we go by a system or program to improve our soil year in and year out. It all starts in the fall when we start off by taking soil from our garden and put it in a baggie to send it off for a soil test. We currently use fixmysoil.com out of Minnesota for our soil test. Then we have our amendments or minerals we need based off our soil test shipped to us to add to our soil. It is best to do this in the fall, that way the amendments can mix over the winter. Before putting down the minerals or amendments, we fork our soil. It is best to fork the soil and not till, as you want the lighter minerals to get deep into the soil and the heavier minerals to sit on the top so they can mix throughout the winter. After winter's over and spring comes, and before you plant is the time to till like we are doing in this video. There is more to this program we follow, and we're only on our second year of this program, and our soil already is much better than the year prior. The longer you do the program, the better and better your soil gets. If your soil is extremely hard and or you're going to have to till up a garden in a place that has grass, you will need a much larger tiller than this 5 horsepower one I am using. We rented a heavy duty one from a local place when we first put in our garden. That did the trick for us. This till job I went over it 3 times, and depending on your soil, you may have to do it more or less than 3 times. When it is nice and soft, you know you got it just how you want it. Let's power it down and put it away, as we got lots of planning to do.